Hello guys, hope doing good. Today I'll show you how you can change your background color. For example, I changed already it's orange color maybe. So if you want to change this color, how you can? Then you just should tap settings. Then you can just after you tap on settings, then you see similar type of interface. You can type here background. Here is showing some many background related options, but we're not going their option. We go another option, just tap settings. Then I just tap wallpaper. Also here many options for the home screen. So no need to change home screen. I will change background. Just tap wallpaper. Here in showing two options. This one home screen, and this is the background option for menus. If you want to customize this one, then you can just tap here. Then you can just choose any picture, and also you can choose any color from here. I just select this color and done. Now I just back. Yeah, I changed already my background color. So that's it. It's a pretty easy, and comment me if you need any help and if you have face any problem. Thanks for the watching. Bye bye.